In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out emails with Brevo. By the end, you'll know how to set up a professional email campaign from start to finish, design it with a template, choose your audience, and send or schedule it with confidence. First, head to the Brevo website and log in. If you're new, you can create a free account in a minute or two. Once you're in, go to the marketing area. This is where all campaign tools live. Choose Create Campaign, then select Email as your campaign type so we're building a standard email blast. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like a product launch or newsletter title, and then continue by creating the campaign. Next, set your sender. Pick a verified sender identity so recipients see a friendly from name and a recognized email address. Verified senders help with deliverability and trust. Now add recipients. Choose the contact list or segment that fits your goal, like a newsletter list, engaged customers, or a segment based on behavior. Good segmentation improves relevance and performance. After selecting your audience, save your changes. Add your subject line next. Keep it short, specific, and benefit-driven. Avoid spammy wording and aim for clarity over cleverness. Save again to lock that in. It's time to design. Click. Start designing, then open the Ready to Use tab to browse templates. Pick one that fits your message and click Use Template. In the editor, open the Blocks tab to drag in text, images, buttons, and dividers. Switch to sections for multi-column layouts and structure. Open Save to reuse branded blocks you've stored before, keeping your design consistent. Customize colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Link your buttons to the right pages, add alt text to images, and personalize text with dynamic fields like first name where it makes sense. Keep paragraphs scannable and make your main call to action stand out. When your design is ready, click Save and Quit to return to the campaign summary. From here, choose how to send. Click Schedule to review timing options. You can schedule for later and pick a date and time. Use Send at Best Time to let Brevo optimize delivery, or send in batches to spread sends across a window and ease server load. If everything's set and you're ready to go live, choose Send Now, then confirm by clicking Send Now again. That's it. After sending, keep an eye on your metrics in Brevo, opens, clicks, and engagement to learn what worked and refine your next campaign.